Soon after the Wuhan virus began spreading beyond China, countries across the world started releasing prisoners. Countries like Afghanistan, Indonesia, the United Kingdom and Myanmar, they temporarily freed their inmates to avoid a possible catastrophe. But Latin American nations like El Salvador refrained. And today they're paying the price for their inaction. Prisons in Latin America have become coronavirus hotspots.
This is how El Salvador is social distancing. Hundreds of prisoners crammed in jail cells. No masks, no precautions, just inmates with their hands around their necks, queuing up for a possible disaster. Among these prisoners are notorious gang members. They've been accused of masterminding 53 murders from their cells over the weekend. So El Salvador's president, Nayib Bukele, ordered a crackdown, and this is how it is being carried out.
They will not receive sunlight. They will be in total confinement 24 hours a day in the 7 maximum security prisons that exist in this country. This is an order from the president, and we are only following that order.
Overcrowded prisons are an ugly truth of Latin America. The region's jails house as many as 1.5 million inmates. They are brewing coronavirus hotspots. Firstly, these prisons are overcrowded. Secondly, they are running on tight budgets, which means soap and water are limited. Thirdly, the sanitation conditions are poor. And lastly, there is corruption. Latin American prisons are toying with the Wuhan virus. The inmates are scared, vulnerable, and lonely. Across Latin America, the prisoners have a single demand: protection against the contagion. Have the prisoners been able to get their message across? The numbers look grim. So far, El Salvador has reported 1,400 coronavirus cases among inmates and prison staff. There are 613 cases and 13 deaths in the prisons of Peru. In Colombia, 23 inmates died in prison riots since the pandemic. In Brazil, 100 inmates escaped prisons. Chile's Puente Alto prison alone has reported over 300 coronavirus cases. The situation calls for an immediate prison release. These inmates have been sentenced to captivity, not death. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.